Sometimes do you get the feeling that someone else is using your Netflix account without your permission and you want to actually verify it? Well, worry not, we're here to help in that context. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to know if someone else is snooping around in your Netflix account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. If you're facing any issues while logging in, we have also created a video regarding that issue. Yeah, let's begin. On the very top right of the screen, you can find your profile icon right here. Simply hover over it, and something like this will open up. Just scroll over to the Accounts tab right here. Now right here in the Accounts tab, you will be given lots of options like Overview, Membership, etc. Simply click on this Devices tab right here. Now at the very top, you're gonna see an option like this, Account Access. Simply click on this button right here. Well, as you can see, these are all the devices that have logged in using my Netflix account. In case you feel that some of these devices are not yours, what you can do is simply click on the Sign Out button right here, and you see, the device will be signed out. Another option that I would recommend is simply changing your password. Just follow the prompts and do make sure that you have ticked this checkbox right here and hit on Save. Well guys, that's about it. That's how you know if someone else is snooping around your Netflix account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.